The global automotive industry is set to lose $110 billion in revenue in 2021. This forecast is up 81.5% from an initial forecast of $60 billion in late January. That's just one industry. Yes, the chip shortage is that serious. Increasingly tight supplies of microprocessors are idling in auto factories at a time when the industry struggles to rebuild inventories. If you're one of those who are finally getting back in the market for a car, you would of course expect, oh, great deals. What do you find instead? Fewer inventories on dealer lots, and prices have gone up. Just as when the government is asking us to spend, there's nothing to spend money on. This week's shutdown at the Ford SUV plant in Louisville, Kentucky comes as Fiat Chrysler automobiles halted production in Brampton, Ontario on another site because they don't have any semiconductors and they don't have any chips. Nissan is trimming production of its subcompact Note model in Japan, and Volkswagen has been cutting back on its plants in the US, China, and Europe. Honda could face cuts due to chip supply shortages next month. Now we have Subaru had a factory in Japan that's going to halt for a few days because they can't get enough chips, and then also their plant in Indiana is having a problem. Mercedes-Benz, the S-Class, which has an LCD panel, they can't get enough chips for this. Car companies are experiencing shortages of panels and the underlying processors that run them. Semiconductors used to operate today's engines and transmissions to control emissions and fuel economy to improve performance and also comfort. Yes, modern chips are now installed in virtually every car. So why is there a chip shortage? Production simply can't keep up. That's the bottom line. We don't have enough manufacturers to increase the demand of chips, and also we're not mining enough gold. Gold is used in every chip. With more and more people staying home to work and more companies seeing the benefits allowing their employees to work from home, there will be a continuous increase in demand for devices and equipment that requires these chips. And each of these chips, as I said, it needs gold. We don't want this chip shortage to continue. So it'll be better for our economy if this is resolved soon, but we also need to recognize an opportunity to investors. High demand for gold and also limited supply. That equates to an investment opportunity. Gold will rise and you don't want to get left behind. So call Noble Gold Investments. If you want to learn more about the advantages of gold, you can go to our website. You can see the blogs where we talk about all the industrial uses. Gold is not just used as money anymore. It has incredible industrial uses. So check it out. You can get our free gold and silver investment guide and go to our website at noblegoldinvestments.com. If you're interested in investing in precious metals and you want to talk to a no-hassle representative that has experience in physical metal, give us a call. Phone number is 877-646-5347. Our phone lines are always open and we're happy to answer any of your questions.